This is Freewell K2 Versatile Magnetic Filter System. It's the best filter system so far, and I will let you know why in a moment. It's Omahi, by the way, and stick to the end because I will be testing the image quality and sharpness. As an landscape photographer and video creator, this kit became the all-in-one filter system, whether on a gimbal or in still photography. I always wanted a portable filter system in the field that can fit any lens, and when Freewell reached out to me, I was excited to check the new system. However, this is not a sponsored video, and as always, my review is completely independent. Now, being future-proof is a major concept of Freewell K2. No matter what filter thread you got and what lenses you have, this system will get you covered. It's built to take care of all filter sizes and support all lenses. By the way, Freewell offers free complimentary adapter rings, 67, 72, 77, and 82mm. If you wish different sizes, those are available separately on their website. The K2 system is designed to work with any lens. Now look at this gentle leather filter case. It got a vintage look. And here we got the master base. This guy will perfectly hold any of the filter rings. If you're familiar with the Freewell first generation, you definitely have an idea that the variable ND filters feature a CPL when it's used on the opposite side. One face is variable ND and the other side is CPL. Now the K2 kit is made of 5 magnetic filters. One stop ND base that fits inside the master base. It's required to be in place when planning to use any of the variable ND filters. Next we get 1 to 5 stops variable ND filter and the CPL on the opposite side. The other guy is 6 to 9 stops variable ND filter with ND32 and CPL on the opposite side. But this is not what makes the K2 system stands out. See here, I have a glow mist filter, a gold streak filter, and the 3 stops gradient ND filter. The 3 filters are designed to work with the K2 series and available separately. Here in the master base, open the top extension and insert any of these light filters. And having the master base bottom door opened offers the opportunity to adjust the gradient filter position for your need. It's so impressive. Guys, if you're facing some difficulties when sliding any of the mist, streak or gradient filter, make sure the ND base is fixed correctly in the master base. Now in real world, I came to adjust the K2 filter system up to my preference. So I removed the adapter rings that I don't need from the case and I replaced them with the streak and the mist filters, because I like to carry one single bag at a time. Now when it comes to color accuracy, I will be testing the variable ND filters in a controlled environment, the white balance, image quality, vignette, and if there is any X-cross artifact. And when it comes to sharpness, here we have the first image without any filter. It's 1 stop ND base, 2 stops from the variable ND, 3 stops, 4 stops, 5 stops, 6 stops from the second variable ND, 7 stops, 8 stops, and 9 stops. Now when zooming in to 100% on the left, we get the standard image without any filter, and on the right, we'll slide different stops from the variable ND filters. Now testing if any of the variable ND filter cast what's called X-cross effect. Technically, variable ND filters are made of 2 pieces of glass. The first layer is linear and the other one is circular. And when rotating the filter, you get different intensities of light. However, many low-quality variable ND filters cast what's called X cross darkness in the mirror, which is a very bad thing to have in your image. Now here I will be testing both the 1 to 5 stops variable ND filter and 6 to 9 stops variable ND filter. Starting with 1 to 5 stops, and now it's 6 to 9 stops. In the end, investing in a future-proof filter system is no doubt the right investment. You might not need all the filters at the moment, but you know that anytime in the future you can add more filters and accessories to the system and keep using the same one for all your lenses. I believe investing in such a product is an added value to your equipment, whether you are a filmmaker or photographer. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope this video helped in making your decision. On this channel we make cameras, lenses and filmmaking reviews. Show me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma and see you guys in another one.